Hello everyone, today we will learn how to make a project in Scratch using more than one sprite. Let's start. First of all, open Scratch 2. Now your Scratch window will appear. This is the script area. This is the stage. This is the sprite. These are the block palettes. This is the blocks menu. This is the green flag. These are the cursor tools. This is the block help option. This is the view full screen. This is the menu bar. This is the title bar. This is the backdrop icons. First of all, when your Scratch window will open, remove the cat sprite by right-clicking on it and selecting the delete option like this. Now click on the choose sprite from library button like this. The sprite library dialog box will open. Choose people from category section. And select the James sprite and click on OK. Then again go to the sprite library. Then select the ballerina sprite. And then click on OK. Now drag them down like this. On the stage. Now I will create scripts for both the sprites separately. Let's start creating the block stack step by step in the script area. First, I will do the coding for the James. First, I am dragging the when flag clicked block from the events block. So, click it and drag it to the script area. Then we have to work on the looks block and control block. In the looks block, we have say hello block. There are two say hello blocks, one with the seconds, other without it. Drag and join it like this. Then in the control block, we have wait block. Drag it and join it with this. And change the number by clicking on it. Then in the looks block, select next costume and join it. Next costume means next action. So select next costume and drag it and join it like this. Then again we are going to select the say block, but it is with the number of seconds. So we are taking this block, drag it down and join it. Now click on it in between and type the dialog. Can you demonstrate the exercise which I taught you? Once we are done with this, then again we go to the control block. Again, select and drag the wait block and join it. Also change the number of seconds by clicking on it. So our coding for James has been completed. Now I will select the ballerina sprite. So we'll get the new script area. Let's start creating script for ballerina. We go to events block. Drag the event flag clicked like this. Then go to the control block, drag, wait for 1 second. Again, go to the looks block. Select and drag the say hello with number of seconds block. Click on it and type yes, brother. And change the number of seconds to 1 like this. Then again go to the control block, select the wait for seconds block. Now change the number of seconds to 2 seconds. By clicking and typing like this. Now select the looks block. Drag the say hello with number of seconds like this. Block and join it. Click on it and type sure. And change the number of seconds to 1. Then go to the control block, select drag and join the repeat block. And change the number to 4 like this. Now select the wait block and join it like this. By dragging it. After this, select the looks block. Drag and join the next costume block. Now our script for both the sprites have been completed. Now for the background, we will select the backdrop like this. Scroll down for your desired backdrop. Click on OK. Now click on View Full Screen option. and then click on the green flag button located on the top of the window. And observe the two sprites talking to each other. Thanks for watching this video and subscribe for more.